Are you trying to decide between Higgsfield and Heygen? You are not alone. Today, we'll break down these two tools to help you choose the right one for your needs. Both Higgsfield and Heygen are designed to enhance your online presence. They offer features that help users create content more efficiently, but how do they stack up against each other? Let's start with Higgsfield. This tool focuses on simplifying content creation. It provides a user friendly interface that makes it easy for anyone to start. You can quickly generate articles, blog posts, and even social media updates. It's great for those who want speed and simplicity in their writing process. Now, let's look at Hagen. This tool is all about personalization. Hagen uses advanced algorithms to tailor content to your audience. It helps you create engaging material that resonates with your readers. If you want your content to feel more customized, Hagen might be the better choice. So, what are the key differences? Higgsfield is straightforward and fast, while Hagen offers more personalized options. If you need quick content, Higgsfield is your go to. But if you want to connect with your audience on a deeper level, Hagen is the way to go. When it comes to features, Higgsfield provides templates and easy editing tools. Hagen, on the other hand, excels in audience analysis and tailored suggestions. Think about what matters more to you, speed or personalization. In terms of pricing, both tools are quite accessible. You can find plans that fit different budgets, so it's worth checking them out. In the end, if you need quick and simple content, choose Higgsfield. But if you want to create something that truly speaks to your audience, go with Hagen. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.